What's up, YouTube? And I'm back with another one. Now, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I just woke up to my car destroyed. So hard, it's so hard, man. You don't know how hard it is. Anyway, let's go take a look. Oh, never mind that trash, but look, we got good fish, good fish. Have you ever seen one of these? It looks so fake, but it's real. Anyways, let's get back to the side. Got a little garden, nothing major, nothing major. Yeah, I'm in the forest, but look at my car, bro. Like this man, oh my god. Look, the mirror is hanging off. Like he really messed up my car. Like, oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. He wrecked my car. Please go fund me. Cash app or something. Look at this, man. This is ridiculous. Look at my windshield. Look at this. It don't even work no more. Look at this. It's big. Oh my gosh. Look. It's tilted back here. Oh my god, bro. Oh. What is this? I just got this car. Why do everything I get he breaks it? Yo, I'm gonna have to drive this now. Oh my god, bro. Do you know how embarrassing that's gonna be? Coming to my friend's house and this, they're gonna join me. They're gonna make fun of me. They're gonna say, "Look, ugly light skinned boy, that's why you drive a pickup van." And I'm gonna be like, please go fund me. Please go fund me. Look at my baby. Look. Look at this. It's broken. It stinks in here. Look, water everywhere. Like my car is really damaged. Look at my steering. Oh my god, yo. Look at my radio. Just look. Everything is. Let me out a new car. I just want a new car, man. I don't want to drive a dump truck, man. Can't believe this, yo. Man, is you serious? No. It was a 2010, but I don't want to drive that, man. What is that? Look at this. This thing is tilted. Please go fund me. Cash app or something. Man, really towing my car. What is this? What is this? Come on. Look at my hood, man. Look at my hood. Look at my tires. Like, what did he do? Did he go muddy? Oh my god, bro. Man, please help me with a new car, bro. I just need something, anything. I don't want to have to drive this. Look at it. I want to get made fun of everywhere I go. I can't even go to parties anymore. Look at my mirror, yo. What the fuck, man? Fuck to my motherfucking car. Get fucking mad out here, man. I'm just looking at this shit. Look at my motherfucking door. Who the fuck? What kind of force did you use to pull the door handle that high? Bro, look, my window don't even go up. You have to push it up. Like, he really messed me up, man. Like, is ridiculous.